Sure, here's a scrambled non-linear, natural-sounding script for a YouTube review of the 10-wheeler truck 2025. Designed to feel dynamic and engaging. Alright, the moment you've been waiting for. This is the brand new 10-wheeler truck 2025. And trust me, it's a beast on the roads. The glossy red finish, ultra shiny and absolutely stunning, especially under sunlight or showroom lighting. You can't miss it. This truck doesn't just look strong, it is strong. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, it's packing serious power. Whether you're hauling construction material or doing long-distance freight, the engine doesn't break a sweat. It's smooth, responsive, and surprisingly fuel-efficient for its size. One thing that really stands out is the design: clean aerodynamic lines, a raised cabin, and those massive chrome wheels. Even the side mirrors look futuristic. You know this is a 2025 model the moment you see it. The suspension, upgraded. You barely feel the bumps even when fully loaded. That's a major push for long hauls. And the braking system highly responsive, even under pressure. Step inside the cabin, and it's a whole new world. Soft touch materials, touchscreen controls, navigation, even climate zoning. It feels more like a premium SUV than a track cab. You can spend hours inside and still feel comfortable. They've also stepped up in safety lane assist, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring. It's all in, sir. This isn't just about strength anymore. It's about smart strength. Let's not ignore the loading capacity. This monster hauls like a champ. Built for heavy-duty logistics but with the ease of handling like a lighter vehicle. If you're in logistics, construction, or fleet management, this might be your next smart investment. Price-wise, it's competitive given the tech and the features it's loaded with. That's the 10-wheeler truck 2025. Powerful, beautiful, and smarter than ever. Think it's all hype? Wait till you test drive it. Would you like a version with the stamps or formatted for voiceover?